How much should you ideally expect your mutual funds to deliver? What is the nominal expectation should an investor have in equity? To help you get more clarity on this, we have our industry expert, Mr. Hariharan, with us. Hariharan, over to you.
I generally say that if you get 12% per annum, I think you should be happy. Please remember 12, 15, 18, it doesn't make too much of a difference. What you have to look at is what are the alternate investment available for me. If you were to not invest in an equity fund, where will you invest? You will typically invest in a PPF or the FD, right? Or the gold. All of these give you single digit returns, 7, 8%. So as long as you're getting 3, 4, 5% more than your traditional investment, I think one should be happy about it. Please remember, it is important to tone down the expectation. Again, link it with just past performance, saying that small caps have last year delivered 60% return does not mean small caps are going to deliver 60% this year or next year. So you have to moderate your expectation. Be happy as long as you get 12 plus kind of returns from equity funds.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.